guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace ABS pump on Chevy Cruze. If you have Chevy Cruze guys from 2008 to 2016, the procedure should be the same. So we'll show you guys where the pump is located, how to get to it. You need to do quite a few things. We need to drain the coolant to get to it because we'll need to remove a few coolant components. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car because our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, subscribe and a like guys. If you need anything specific video, drop a comment below and we'll do our best to make a video for your specific problem. So this is the Chevy Cruze. All the mechanical videos will be on this channel. The electrical videos and testing and all that will be on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair. Please give a like. Now, in addition guys, all the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video. Let's go ahead, drain the coolant and show you what needs to be done. So for draining the coolant guys, I would recommend to have the car engine really cold, so leave it overnight, okay, to make sure that the coolant, the engine is cold. Also, you want to, okay, open that cap before you start a little bit, to, okay, open it all the way for a little bit to get the pressure out of the system if there is any pressure. Because if the system is under pressure and if it's hot coolant, it can severely burn you and cause really bad injuries. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So I'm going under the car now. We're going to need a Torx 20 star looking bit. Okay, and you can see guys, okay, this cover here now. Okay, this is the cover for the bumper. Okay, and if we come all the way here, okay, there is one bolt. Once I remove it guys, I'll be able to show you where exactly it is. One screw. Now we have one more here. One more next to it. Okay, these two you don't need to get them. Check it out. Now these two are a separate thing. Then we need to get this one here. One more on this side. And then guys, I need to go on this side. Okay, this is the passenger side of the vehicle. Okay, and we have one more guy holding in the corner right there. Okay, so let me see. Okay, what else is holding here now? If we have anything else holding. Okay, and all you do guys, you pull back, okay, and you pull it out. Okay, you can see just like that. Now you can see your radiators here as well, the condenser, all that is here. Okay guys, so now we're on the passenger side of the vehicle, and if we come underneath, okay, you can see that white thing there. This is your radiator, okay, drain plug. So, okay, let me get in here. All we have to do, grab this guy. Okay, wear gloves, always. We have a bucket underneath ready to catch it. Okay, it's going everywhere now. So as you can see guys, I removed the whole plug now. I'll let it drain like that for a little bit. Okay, you can see it acts like it's not getting enough air in the system. So what we can do, okay, we can go on top and we can release, okay, the cap right here. Okay, and it's going to go really big time. So let's get one person to remove this cap. Okay, and while we're removing it, I'm going to adjust the bucket to make sure that we catch everything. Okay, let's put the cap back on, because it's flying everywhere. Okay, so we'll just let it stay like that, slowly coming out. Okay, check it out now. It's coming real nice. So, perfect. We will let it drain, guys, like that for probably about 5 minutes to make sure everything comes out. Okay, you can see it decrease now. And we'll continue with the next step. All we have to do now, guys, okay, we're ready to continue. We can go ahead and install our drain plug. Always use gloves, guys, when you're touching coolant. Don't ask why I don't use it, but it's very poisonous, so always use gloves. Okay. Okay, perfect. Get it tight by hand. Okay, and we're ready here. So first thing that we'll need to do, guys, okay, these little bitty holes right here, okay, we're going to remove that hole. So let me show you guys how we're going to do that. Okay, with the pliers we need to remove that clamp. Okay, now grab it and just gently, okay, turn it, okay, to break loose. Then okay, you grab it and pull it out. Now, okay, let me show you guys. Right here on the bottom we have another big hose that we need to remove. This one, this guy. So we'll need to use bigger pliers there. Okay, perfect. Okay, you can see how I removed it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and grab the hose, okay, and we'll try to move it again a little bit. Okay, that way, guys, it can break loose. But do not get it too much with the pliers because, okay, you can damage your hose severely. So I'm just trying to spin it a little bit. Okay, it came loose. Now, all I have to do, grab it, pull it out. Next, guys, what we need to do, let me get one screwdriver. Okay, small screwdriver. You can see that metal clamp right here. Okay, you don't see it from this angle. Okay, we need to come on this side. Okay, this metal clamp. Okay, I'm going to hold it with one finger so it doesn't fly. Okay, and we're going to start prying that thing up. Okay, perfect. Just like that. Next, okay, you're going to see that. Okay, let me see for sure. Right here on the bottom. Okay, we have one more place where the coolant overflow bottle attaches to a mount, okay, on the bottom underneath. So now, guys, you need to grab it, okay, and we need to pull it this way. Okay, and we hit the battery, okay, right here. So what I'm going to do now, okay, let me clean all my tools so I don't drop anything. We will need to, guys, move the battery a little bit. Okay, I'm going to remove that bracket here so I can move this battery. Okay, just a little bit. And our coolant overflow bottle, guys, okay, just came out like that, as you can see. So as you can see, guys, with the coolant bottle, overflow bottle out of the way, this is your ABS pump, guys. In order to remove the pump, now we need to remove, okay, two bolts, one here, one over there. I would recommend to have your car battery disconnected when you do that. This is a Torx 25. Okay, start looking a bit like that. Let me focus quick to see. Okay, this is it. And I'm going to go ahead, remove, okay, that bolt now here. Okay, it goes by hand now. Okay, let's see how long that bolt is. I think this is it, so I'm going to pull it out. This is the bolt, you can see how long that thing is. Next, we have one more bolt, guys. Okay, right here. So, I'll attempt to just remove it by hand now. This is a longer bolt, as you can see, guys. Now, what we will need to do, okay, grab the pump. Okay, just wiggle it a little bit gently. And this is, guys, your ABS pump out of the way. Now, replacing that thing, guys, everything else is in reverse order. We took it apart. So check out the description of the video below for part numbers and where we buy our parts from for a good price. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.